Oxydendron arboreum, sourwood in the Ericaceae or heath family. And the heath family is really more familiar to people as the home for the blueberries and cranberries and azaleas and rhododendrons. It's really an important group of plants, especially for horticulture. But there are some interesting trees in the family as well. And sourwood is one of the most important of those trees in the eastern United States. A very common tree throughout the central and southern Appalachians, especially on the driest, most acidic sites. The leaves are fairly distinct in that they're bright green, rather elliptical in shape, and no noticeable feature along the margin except they are slightly wavy or undulate. As plain as those leaves are now in the fall, they are just absolutely incredible with their scarlet and purple fall color. So one reason that it's so popular as a landscape tree is because of its fall color. Another reason they're such a nice landscape tree is because in about a month from now, which is sort of in the July to August time frame, you'll get a very multi-branch spray of white flowers that are quite showy. The bark is also rather distinct. It reminds me a lot of sassafras in that it has these thick interlacing ridges with quite a bit of light gray within the ridge. And as you cut into the bark, you find a really distinct reddish-orange coloration. With time, the tree will continue to develop those ridges. It won't get that big, but it will live for over 100 years. And it also has a distinct feature as far as its form because it is rather multi-layered in structure. So architecturally, it's an interesting tree in the landscape. So other than the cold hardiness as you go further in the northeast, it really is a beautiful, exceptional shade tree. Oxydendron arboreum, the sourwood.